exporting step files using tables and also using wildcards is actually pretty easy to do. So let's take a look at um, let's look for the step command. We'll use the table model option, which requires us to use tables. And in this particular case, it's looking for a current directory, or it's going to write to the current directory, but we can also specify an optional directory. We also have some different options for the types of things we want to do. Because step files are going to generate log files with them, I'm going to do a couple things. First, I'm going to do is I'm going to delete a subdirectory called step files, and then I'm going to recreate it again. This is just a very quick way to kind of purge an old directory with content and create a new location for it to write to. So we're going to be writing to a subdirectory in here called step files, which isn't created yet. And we do need a table of information. So that table needs item, name, and then we could, let's say we wanted to do anything with a b.prt or a c*.prt, and we're going to create a table out of this by Control T. Say it has headers, and then we're going to give it a name, my table. So that's my Excel table that I'm going to reference, and then we're going to reference it not just by doing a TBL prefix, my table. And then when we press do it, it's going to connect to CRIO, look at all the models that are currently in session, and export our B and C models for, in this case, we have 3 models being exported using wildcards. You can, of course, say I want everything that's in session. So if we did this, we'll purge that out of there and just say everything that's in session. And you'll notice that our content has been purged and is being rewritten here. So we got not just our individual components, but we also got our assembly also. So if we grab this and drag it in, you'll notice that it's going to take a second for this to import, but it did grab the assembly file and export that as an individual step file also. So pretty handy thing to do, and you can obviously use wildcards in a lot of really cool ways, but it is just it's a very quick and easy way to kind of go and get the things you're looking for very quickly.